Tired of your Discord status vanishing after a few hours? Here's how to keep it visible until you decide to change it. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. That's where your profile picture is located. Tap on it to open your user settings menu. Now on your profile screen, you'll see an option near the top labeled Set Status. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up several status options like Online, Idle, Do Not Disturb, and Invisible. If you want to set something custom, like a message with an emoji, tap on Set a Custom Status. After you type in your custom message and optionally add an emoji, pay close attention to the option labeled Clear After. By default, Discord will auto-clear your custom status after a certain amount of time, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. To keep your status from disappearing, tap Clear After and choose Don't Clear. Once you've done that, tap Save or Set to lock it in. Your status will now stay active as long as you want. If this tip helped, be sure to like, share it with your server mates, and subscribe for more Discord tutorials.